So here's a quick tutorial for the weekend. Sometimes I have a calendar event that is really important and I certainly want to get a notification on my Mac and my iPhone about the event. But it's so important that I want to get an email as well. You can get the Mac Calendar app to send you an email message. For me, I'm always checking my email and things are in my inbox until I deal with them. So getting a notification as an email message, that's something I'll never miss. So let's say I have an event here and I'm going to just create something here for 9 a.m. on Monday and it's going to be something very important. Let's say it's 9 a.m. and I want to get a notification. So I'm going to add an alert here and I'm going to say 15 minutes before. Now I'm going to get a notification on my phone and on my Mac. That's great. But I want an email too. So if I move my cursor over the alert, you'll see there's a plus button next to it. You could add multiple alerts. A lot of people don't know this. So you could add a 15 minutes before and a 1 hour before alert. But I'm going to hit the plus button and for the second alert I'm not going to use one of those standard ones. I'm going to go to Custom. And Custom allows me to go and select Email. Now I can select an email address that I have on my Mac. I could set it for when. So 15 minutes before. I want this to actually be 3 hours before. I'm going to get an email so it's there when I wake up. And I'm going to hit OK. Now you see here I'm going to get an alert 15 minutes before and an email alert 3 hours before. So that's set up and ready to go. There'll be an email alert from myself in my email inbox now for this event. And you could add more to them if you wanted. You can add another email alert maybe to a second email address that you have set up on this Mac or maybe for say the day before. However you want to do it. And you'll get this alert sent to you and you won't be able to miss it. I publish new tutorials every weekday. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Then hit the little bell icon to get notifications for each new tutorial.